What's up, guys? You are watching this video today probably because you're looking for a way to work from home, to earn some additional income, to replace your 9 to 5 job, to start a home based business, something of that nature that has brought you here, right? So you're in luck. My name is Aziz Shabazz. I am a realtor, but I'm also a financial consultant. I'm going to show you guys how to get into this financial consultancy business, right? So the name of the company is called Nove. We are the credit and money company. We've been in business for about 10 years. It's 2000 since 2014 at the time of this video. Over here to the right, you see the CEO, Mr. Rico McCambry. He has built four multi-million dollar businesses and taken this one to a billion. All right. Something else that's very important. I want you to see on the Better Business Bureau, we have an A+ rating on the BBB. That means that we have some great customer service, which is very important. Now, what is our goal here? Our goal here is to provide greater access to credit, capital, and entrepreneurship for underserved communities. All right. We've made the Inc. 5000 list of America's fastest growing private companies in America for 4 years in a row, going on five. We've been featured in Forbes, Yahoo Finance, and Black Enterprise. And we are also backed by Damon John, the creator of Fubu, and also you've probably seen him on Shark Tank as well. All right. Now, what type of services do we offer? We offer credit building resources for consumers and small businesses, meaning, yes, we can help individuals repair their personal credit, but we can also help businesses build business credit as well. Access to capital, that could be personal loans or that could be business loans as well. Debt help programs. See, most people think when they're in trouble, they have to go into bankruptcy, but there's a step before bankruptcy. It's called debt help. And we can help consumers with debt help, and we can help businesses with debt help as well. Of course, we support entrepreneurship. That's why we're here today on this call to talk about entrepreneurship. And we also refinance cars, refinance student loans, refinance credit cards. We help people to obtain credit cards, help individuals open up bank accounts, and shop for life insurance. This is a faith based company that moves off of faith based principles. And what I really love is that Nove donates a percentage of his revenue to support underserved communities across the country, supporting education initiatives, displaced families, our elderly communities, feeding the hungry, and also clothing the needy. Now, before we jump into some of the services and what we offer and how all of this works and what we get paid and things of that nature, what I want to talk about first is number one, you do not have to be licensed or bonded. The reason being is because the company has business professionals that are licensed and bonded and insured. You don't have to do that. Here, you're simply connecting clients to the business professionals that are licensed and bonded, okay, and insured. So you don't have to do that. You don't have to take any exams. There's no state exam. There's no national exam. There's no license that's needed. And another thing, you will not be collecting anyone's personal information. You don't need their social security number. You don't need their tax returns. You don't need paycheck stubs. You don't need any of that. You just need to make the connection, and the business professionals, licensed professionals, will take it from there. That's something very important that I want everyone to know on this call, okay? We do not sell here, in my opinion. We serve. We don't try to convince people of anything, we educate. Now, why do I say that we don't sell, we serve? Because usually when you're in the sales industry, somebody has to give you some money in order to receive a service, right? See, we got services here where clients don't have to pay anything up front, or they don't have to pay anything at all to use our services. Let me give you an example. High yield savings accounts. Most people have never heard of a high yield savings accounts. If you have, then that's good. You're knowledgeable on financial literacy, right? At least more than most people are. See, we know Bank of America, we know Chase, but we know those bank accounts don't pay us very much. They pay us 0.01, 0.02. Where here's an opportunity where individuals can earn 4% interest on their money. 4.75, 3.75. See, these are free bank accounts to set up. And the clients don't have to pay anything. There's no monthly fees, there's no hidden fees at all. All they have to do is set up the bank account. For instance, with SoFi, let's say you have a client that you set up with a bank account and they put $50 in it. SoFi requires a minimum of $50 for the commission to be paid out. Every time you set up a bank account with SoFi, one of your clients, they set it up for free. They put $50 in it. You just made a $98 commission. Okay. Let me give you another example. Lending Club. Lending Club doesn't require any money. They don't have to, they can set this account up and not put any money into it. And even if they did put money into it, it's still their money, right? Because these are just bank accounts. Well, just for them setting up Lending Club, they don't have to put anything in it. You still receive a $70 commission at this time when I'm making this video. Okay, Valley Direct, the same thing, except they just have to put $1 in it. And I want you all to know this. You can be a client of yourself for all the services that I'm showing you. What does that mean? You could set yourself up for one of these bank accounts, two or all three of them if you want to, and you could receive a commission for you being your own client, right? That's major. Let's jump into another free service. How about we jump over here to the free business registration, the free LLC setup? Okay. Now, with this free LLC setup, we charge the client absolutely zero, no money. Every time you help someone to set up an LLC, remember, you're not doing any paperwork. There's no paperwork involved, right? You're connecting them to the service. Every time you help someone to set up an LLC for free, you get paid a $50 commission. The only thing that they have to pay is the state filing fee. They don't pay us, but they do have to pay Uncle Sam. The state wants their money. Now, every state is different. It could be $50, it could be $75, it could be $100. Every state is different, but that's a fee that the state charges. You help them for free, you get paid a $50 commission. Let me jump over here as well, because after you help somebody to set up their LLC, typically what do they want? They want some business funding. Now, all of the services that I'm talking about here today are across all 50 states, including the business loans. All right. So you can now help individuals. Remember, you are not the loan officer. You are not the underwriter. You are simply connecting an individual to a website like this. And then from that point, they're connecting with the business funding department after they fill out the application. The business funding department takes it from there. So now you'll be able to help individuals with business cash advances up to 10 million, business term loans, which include SBA loans, up to 5 million, business lines of credit up to 250,000, invoice factoring, right? Business startup funding, right? Now, I want to stop right here, because business startup funding is a very popular loan. This is for brand new businesses, but it could be a business that's been in business for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19 years. It doesn't matter. That is just the name of it, business startup funding. All right. Now, why is this loan very popular? Well, not because of the 680 credit score. The 680 credit score, a lot of people don't necessarily like that part, but we also have credit restoration programs, credit restoration softwares as well that can help them remove negative items to then increase their scores. And then we're going to bring them right back over here to the loan. So for the business startup funding, minimum time in business, it could be none. They could have just started the business. How much money does the business need to be making? The business could be making no money. And we can help them fund potentially up to 150,000. All right. Very popular loan right here. Commercial real estate loan, another very popular loan. When it comes to the commercial real estate loan, we can help individuals purchase retail space, mixed use space, industrial, warehouse, multifamily. That could be 2 units or 200 units. Single family, 1 to 4 units. That could be buy and hold or fix and flip with the money to do the rehab costs. We can help them fund up to 150 million. Now, what do commissions look like on this? From what I've seen, roughly, could be give or take, right? You're talking roughly around 1% of the loan amount. So what's the max potential commission we can earn here? 150 million times 1%. What is that? A $1.5 million commission? And it could potentially be more, right? just depending on the terms of the loan. And what did you do for that? You just had to simply refer a client over to the resource. All right. Now, let's jump over here to tax preparation. We also help to file personal and business taxes as well, right? So we can also help individuals qualify for an instant tax refund cash advance same day starting January 2nd, right? But that's if an individual does want to get that tax advance. It's not mandatory, right? So now what do you do? Because you're not the loan officer, I'm sorry, you're not the tax accountant. I'm sorry, and you're not collecting documentation. You're not the CPA. So what are you doing? You're just simply connecting an individual to your website, to your calendar. They book a time, and then they connect with the accounting department and accounting team, taxable, right? And they take care of it. Now, what have I seen in commissions when a client decides to move forward? Well, roughly somewhere between like $75 and $300 in commissions per client. And think about this, a lot of these clients are going to be repeat clients because they're going to come back to you next year as well, right? So we got a lot of great services like that. Debt help programs, credit card, helping people get credit cards, personal loans. Let's jump to the personal loans. We can help individuals get a personal loan and they can use it for whatever they like. They could go on vacation. They could refinance some credit cards. They could buy a boat. It's whatever they really choose to do. It is a soft pull on credit. So you can submit one application and be considered by 30 banks without hurting your credit. And there is no fee to apply. And we work with major banks. So you see SoFi, One Main Financial, CITI or Citi, Merrick Bank, PenFed Credit Union as well. So these are major brand name banks that people recognize as well. And you can use those funds for whatever you like. Okay. What else do we have? We set up with wills and we set up trusts. We do auto loan refinance, student loan refinance, no interest payday loans. I love this because sometimes people just need a little bit of money to get to the next paycheck. We can help them with a no interest payday loan. This is not predatory lending, right? This is the ability to help somebody get from one day to the next. So I really do love that because there's no fees involved with taking that loan, except if you want to get the money transferred within 1 to 2 days or instant, I should say. But if you're willing to wait 1 to 2 days, then is no fees. If you want to get the money instant on that one, it's I think $2 or $3 to transfer the money instantly. How do they make money on that one? Because they ask, hey, would you give a tip to keep this program going? So I really love that. Let's jump over here into credit restoration. We have a software that can help individuals remove late payments, collections, repossessions, judgments, charge-offs, hard inquiries, foreclosure, and bankruptcy as well. Right now, this is major because we're going to help individuals increase their credit score so they can buy homes and things of that nature and get that real estate loan or business loan that we offer. Now, this does cost some money up front. It's $199 up front, 30 days later, $69 a month, but no contract. If someone gets started here, you will earn a $100 commission on this service. We have business credit builder programs where you can help individuals build their business credit, make a $500 commission. We talked about the business funding. We have trademark services. We can set stores like furniture stores up with consumer financing. That's in-house financing. And every time they help one of their clients with a loan, you get paid a commission. Business debt help programs. We have so many different programs that actually pay us out some really great commissions. All right. And one of the other things that I want to show you is that we also have a free church fundraising program. What does that mean? The church can partner with Nove. Churches all across the nation can partner with Nove and offer these same services to their members of their congregation or their surrounding communities. And actually, the church will receive the commission. So you can help an entire church get started here as well. All right. And then the last thing that I want to show you is that you have the ability not only to just earn commissions from helping and serving clients, but you also have the ability to receive monthly bonuses in this company based off of your team, you and your team's production as well. So you can earn anywhere between $50 all the way up to $110,000 bonus per month. This is residual income. What does that mean? Money that you did not have to trade your time for, right? Money that you did not have to trade your time for, money that you can make in your sleep. Mailbox money is what we call it, right? You have the ability to build residual income here, right? So I hope you guys got some value out of this. If you're interested in talking a little bit more about what we do here and getting started and learning how you can start making money from home, how you can start making money from social media, right? From just connecting with individuals, and how you can start building something that could replace your 9 to 5 if you wanted it to, right? So, with that being said, I hope you all have a great day. Have a blessed day. See you at the top, and thank you for joining.